we are always listening music, playing drums, playing music. Okay, you're not hearing anything because it's early.
Ah,
No, they are Portuguese.
Portuguese.
The Portuguese style
I was
come
looking at
from
the-
the Polish.
There's one in Lisbon that's similar, not quite that
Yes,
tall.
you
Not
have
quite
like
that
a similar.
This one's bigger, I think. Taller, anyway.
Look, the symbol here, music. Music
Yeah.
instrument, drums, guitars, people dancing. Seeing people 2 or 3 days. Rio, yes, Salvador, blah, blah, blah. Let me explain that. We are now where Salvador was found, okay? We call, looking behind, the municipal square. Okay? You see the ladies there?
Yeah.
Those are the baianas. I told you. This attire is typical from here. Was begun at the around the bay with the slaves, and they turn like big skirts, and the colors they wear means the same of gods. Okay, yellow, green, the necklaces and everything. Slowly they do it, but now you see the old houses.
Well, yeah, no roof, you know.
Yeah, it fell down.
Yeah.
Pedra, you have to have this stone. This one here. See, it's complicated.
Yeah, I was gonna say it.
Isn't that nice?
That's cool.
And then they do the fight dance, you see? Capoeira.
While I'm eating,
And the sound goes here.
Cabaça, aqui som, aqui outro.
See? It's very hard to play.
Yeah.
Yellow, green, black, and red, and Olodum. This is a group created this with them after Michael Jackson. Paul Simon was here too. End of the 80s, we took a group to Central Park, and then they put the oil, the fire, and start frying. Here are very good sweeties from coconut. Can admire, né, the church. This is the Jesuits in this order. There is into something nice. He was a Spanish. And there is Oregon here. We used to, people here, I mean,
oh yeah.
beautiful. Would you like one?
Não permite mais que os carros vá.
There you go, dear.
A little small. Right, hon? He goes, yeah. Oh, wow. People hanging up clothes up there. Yeah.
Esse lugar que estamos chegando, que foi de onde se utilizou algumas escenas, se rodou algumas escenas daquela película.
Because we don't have anything.
E também
You don't have anything like this in Brazil. We have only here. We have the dresses.
calor. Oh, yeah, yeah.
Because here, for us, Jesus is Oshala, the white one, the white color, the father of all. You can safely clean here, or I take the river behind. It's so beautiful. Go ahead.
What are we doing? Taking a picture?
Tá legal, tá tranquilo, meu filho.
With this,
If you enjoy our videos, please like and subscribe. It helps to support our channel. See you traveling soon!